In this video, we are going to see how we can check the recently watched reel on Instagram. So let's say that you have recently watched a reel, let's say this one, and you forgot where it was and you have not saved it anywhere. Here's how you can find it in your history. And let's actually say that we have liked that reel or you have interacted that in some way. So that makes it even easier to find those reels. So let's say I liked it like this. And what we do is we head over to our profile icon, and from here we click on the hamburger icon on the right hand side, and how you use Instagram section is right here. We click on this your activity option. So here we have this likes option, comments, repost, tags, reviews. So in any way, if you have interacted with them or those reels, you would be able to find it easily. You click on the likes and see you recently liked this particular reel right here. It's standing here in your likes. And also if you want to see the watch history in some other way, if you scroll down a little bit, you will see this how you use Instagram, and here is watch history as well. So if you click on that, you will see the most recent history of the reel right here. So let's try one more thing. Let's say that if we see a reel that we didn't like, that we didn't comment it on, uh, if you're able to find it or not. So we head over to the profile and do the same thing. We click on the settings on the hamburger icon and we click on your activity. And if we scroll down, we click on watch history, and here is our reel that we didn't like, didn't comment it on, and still it is standing here in our watch history. So that's the best method on how you can get those reels back, especially if they are seen a long time ago. So that's about it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.